Welcome to my business finance class for summer 2014. I'm Dr. Chen Li, and this video serves as an orientation for this class at the beginning of the semester. Mainly, we'll talk about how to access the online assignment. If you go to D2L, you will see my class listed, and let me show you this class. And I highly recommend you to click on the first folder, which is the first class introduction. In this folder, you will see the syllabus, the registration details for the textbook companion website, and the FAQs. Basically, this is a PowerPoint file that answers some of your questions, such as how do we take the exams, which textbook we are using. So if you open that file, you will see this PowerPoint, and second page, which is about which textbook we are using. Click on this link. It will take you to the textbook companion website, which is very important for this class, this semester. You can register using the registration code that you obtain from your textbook. If you do not have a code, you can actually buy the code online. And once you have the code, register, and then you can log in. And this is my site, my page, and as you see, I have multiple sessions. This session, the one that says summer 2014, is the session that you are gonna use. From this page, if I switch to the student view, you will see that we have two types of assignments: the Learn Smart assignment and the practice set for each chapter. For example, for chapter 2, for the Learn Smart assignment, takes a little bit of time to load. Once it's loaded, you will see that you have this chapter assigned, Start Learning. You can start by reading the book. So as you see, this actually provides you an ebook. The cool thing about the ebook part is it highlights the important part that the publisher thinks that you should read, and the gray areas maybe you can skip. And once you finish reading all the pages, you can click on the practice. So you will be provided with a list of practice questions. And as you see, for chapter 2, there are about 60 questions. If you look at the question, what does a balance sheet do? If you think, well, I know this, click on I know it. And then you think balance sheet reflect the changes or reports a company's asset, liability, and equity at a particular point of time. Click on this, and you will get the feedback that your answer is correct. And you see now you have about 59 items left. As you progress, you finish more and more, and you see the completion rate. If you complete more than 80% of this assignment, you will get 1 point for this chapter. And for some questions, if you think you're not so sure, you can actually click on the little page icon and read about it. It will take you to the part of the book that is related to this question. And you also notice if you simply guess, unsure, and oh, you took a good guess. That is fine. However, if I think I know it and I threw the wrong answer, you see I still have 58 items left. So this means at a certain point it will take me back to the similar question, so I get to practice one more time. So the good thing about this assignment is if you spend time on it, you will get it down with 100% completion or 100% accuracy, because it takes you back and make you do more and more times. And if you sign off now and never come back to this chapter, you are only 3% down, then your record will show you're only 3% down and you may not be able to get the assignment grade. Another way to earn the assignment grade is you click on the practice set. You answer all these questions. As you see for chapter 2, I have 25 questions, and once you study chapter 2, you should be able to work on these questions. So if I think I know the answer, once I put my result or answer, I can actually check my work, and apparently this tells me my answer is not correct. So maybe I want to go back and rework on this question till I got it right. And once I finish this question, I can go to the next one, or I can go back to the previous ones that I have worked on. Once I finish all the questions, I can click on the submit assignment. And as you see from the list of all these problem sets, you notice that all these problem sets have unlimited attempts allowed. So that means if you want, you can always go back to the practice set and rework on the questions until you get over 80% accuracy. Again, the purpose of setting up these assignments is not only to evaluate you for the assignment grade. It's also trying to help you to practice and get ready, get prepared for your exams. As we mentioned in the syllabus for this class, usually practice, and practice really helps to get you ready for the exam and get the grade that you want. Another actually pretty cool thing about this Learn Smart assignment is that it also provides you with more practice questions, and it generates a report. So if you click on this report, it shows your topic scores, shows you where you missed, And also it provides you with a practice quiz. Now this practice quiz is not required for grading purpose, but again, why not? If you have time, work on this chapter, start the quiz, see how much you can do, how many questions you can get right, and again, it will help to prepare you for the exam and improve your grade. Another thing about the book that I need to mention is that once you start learning, for the read part, you do have the ebook that you can use to read, but you do not have to read the ebook. You can read your hard copy book, and that would not affect your grade. It is how much you finish from the practice set here that matters to your completion rate for the Learn Smart assignment. So I've showed you how to access the textbook companion website, and what you need to do for the Learn Smart assignment and the practice set assignment. So generally for this class, what you need to do is that you start by working on the Learn Smart reading assignment, and also try to read the lecture slides to understand the key subject, and try to work on the examples listed on the slides. You can also try to work on the online practice set and repeat these practice questions again if you need to, and make sure you earn the assignment grade, and hopefully if you do all these, you are ready for the exams. And this online class can be a little bit challenging, especially if this is your first online finance class. However, with all the technology and the work from both your side and my side, I'm pretty sure that we can have a good experience and good results.